miracle on that. I'm telling you, I'm only giving y'all them $5 deals that I've been seeing. So you're gonna give Mama your nuggets, and Mama's gonna give you your sandwich, cause it comes with a 4-piece nugget, a sandwich, and a fry and a drink.
What happened? I want Mama food.
No, won't you just switch out her the nuggets?
I want some nuggets too.
Oh well, Mama, you. You better. I'm calling Glenn now. He's not answering my call. I got sit on the dryer. Okay. Tell Glenn ain't answer my call. Glenn sleep. Huh? That started at 7:15. I just got a flight. You see, y'all kids think y'all know every damn thing. Like I don't know nothing. Oh. Oh yeah, it starts at 7:15. My bad. Yes, I am going to the firecracker thing when I get off work. When I gotta take Mama.
Take me.
What she say? What you whisper? It do, don't it?
But take a picture.
I know. And we gotta go get his money. Then we got to run to McDonald's. And I gotta go to work.
Yeah.
I don't realize the wind didn't answer the phone. to go to work and I don't have time for that. Huh? What she say? I don't know, cause Glenn ain't even answer. Glenn sleep. Kitty did that. Call B Kiki.
Still mom.
So precious. It's yours, it's mine. And look at the time. So precious.
This shit, it's definitely gonna last longer.
Good.
You start your twist off and then your locks off from this.
Okay.
So you just keep twisting the root and then it's gonna go out from there.
Okay. I'm about to run over here to the ATM real quick. I'll be right back. Come on. I gotta go to the ATM.